My dear brothers and sisters in faith, as we journey through life, we encounter numerous challenges, trials, and obstacles. Yet, it is our faith, our commitment to Islam, that guides us through these trials and illuminates our path with hope, perseverance, and strength. In the Quran, Allah tells us, "Verily with hardship there is relief." These words serve as a beacon of light in our darkest moments, reminding us that every trial we face is an opportunity for growth, learning, and spiritual elevation. Let us remember the examples set by the prophets who came before us. Prophet Ibrahim's unwavering faith and willingness to sacrifice for the sake of Allah. Prophet Musa's courage in standing up against oppression and leading his people to freedom. Prophet Muhammad's resilience in the face of adversity and his unwavering commitment to spreading the message of Islam. My dear brothers and sisters, we are inheritors of a rich legacy of faith and perseverance. Let us draw strength from the teachings of Islam as we navigate the challenges of life. My dear brothers and sisters, as we face the uncertainties of tomorrow, let us hold fast to our faith and trust in Allah's divine plan. Let us approach each day with courage, optimism, and a steadfast belief that better days are ahead. In closing, let us remember the words of the Prophet Muhammad. The strong believer is better and more beloved to Allah than the weak believer. Let us strive to be strong in our faith, strong in our character, and strong in our commitment to living a life of purpose and righteousness. May Allah bless you all and grant you success in this life and the hereafter.